Welcome back to Hely Handmade. So today I am filming very excitedly with a new tripod and ring light. So excited, got it for my birthday. I did not know what to film for this video, so I went shopping yesterday. This isn't a haul, not yet. I can do one, but I'm going to wait for everything that I ordered with my birthday money to get here, and I'm very excited. I went into Lincoln yesterday and went to Flying Tiger Copenhagen. Love that shop, it is amazing. I got kind of stuck in the art supplies, you know, as I do, and I picked up some watercolour paints, and what I thought was a plain watercolour pad, like, it's not. But it looks interesting, so I might try and watercolour anyway. Where did I put it? Right, I'm gonna grab it. There we go. So, I went to grab them because I thought they were on the bed. They're right behind me. So we'll start with the little paint thing. Oh, it's just so cute. Just think of all the pretty colours. There is a white here, but I can't see if it's showing it very well. But I thought they'd be really pretty to do like a backdrop, like scenery or whatever, or I have no idea. And then I was gonna like paint some silhouettes or something into the front. Well, we're not doing that. This is the book I got. I don't know if you can see it, it's like reflective. Yes, so it says on it, I can't read the first language it's in, because, you know, it was made in Denmark and I'm not fluent. I don't know any of their language. But it's a watercolour painting pad, and the bit I didn't read, which says with film and varnish, I just got too excited. So there is the first page, which has got like little leopard prints on. I'm trying to show you it without like being blinded. Let me turn my light down a bit. So if you can see it, yeah, so it's the vinyl's obviously reflecting, but you can see some of these little white marks. Well, that's where you can put your watercolour on. I'm not a big fan of leopard print, but this one, oh, I could have little bees or butterflies. That one would be really cute to put some bits on to paint it all prettily. But so yes, I thought I'd have a look through these and do a little painting with it and see how it comes out. And then maybe next week I'll be back on track with an actual plan of what I want to be doing. We're doing well. We're doing well. So anyway, I will move you around to the desk and we will get painting. I need water because that's how we're going to use watercolours, isn't it? So I'm back after a fair bit of trying to sort out my camera angles and then realising that I hadn't actually picked up any water for the watercolour. But we've got there. Now, I lied and showed you the first picture was the leopard one, but actually it was this lovely little one with flowers all over it. So I'm going to start with this one. Oh, and also there's like this, like an 1.5-inch gap, like right at the top here of this little paintbrush holder, and then the paintbrush is literally teeny tiny. So you might as well have just made that a little bit smaller and maybe you could have added an extra little colour. Either way, it's not completely a complaint because I love Flying Tiger. Oh, I do. If I could spend more money in there I would, but I ran out of birthday money. So we're waiting for payday. And even then I've got to think carefully. Where do I want to start? I'm rambling, but I don't even know where I want to start. Right, so that's varnish. So these little bits in the middle, I kind of would have liked to have been able to colour the actual flowers, but apparently not. But I can do a background. Yeah, I can do a background and the centres of the flowers. We'll start and see what I come up with. If I come up with anything. So that's the little middles done. What do I want to do about the outside? Maybe with the pinks and red. Oh, this is a difficult decision. I might do a few splodgy bits, like try and make it watercoloured. Yeah, not like, well, that's what I'm doing anyway, is it? Right, I've got a tiny little butt here, and then I'm gonna just slowly blend out. Luckily though, with the vinyl, at least it can just wipe off of that part, so you're not really making much of a mess. I'm gonna add some blue and slowly mix them. The camera's not doing it justice. I'll show you properly after it's all done. I managed to get it so it fades into like the pinky purples and then into the blue. Oh, it looks so nice. I want to go back into the pink. I think if I do like a fade of both of them, I think that's just going to look so pretty. Notice it is taking up some of the paper on the back. I'll just check it. Yeah, it comes through a little bit, but I think after it's all dried, then it'll be fine. And maybe if I wasn't using as much water to blend, it probably would have been alright. But with it being watercolour paper, I would have expected this to be a little bit more stronger. I mean, I think I only paid, how much did I pay for it? I don't think I paid that much. It was between £2 and £4 for this, so I can't really, that's just for the book. I think the paints were £4, or they could have been £2. They were similar price range. Notice as it's got sort of down the page, it's got darker the colours, which is strange. I just did a whole recording without pressing record. I'm doing so well. I'm gonna turn the brightness down because you won't be able to see the colour otherwise. It's that bright. Right, step. This is what we've ended up with. Yeah, so it's turned out really pretty. I mean, I love my painting skills in this. I mean, on camera it does look a little bit blocky, but it doesn't look too bad up close. I just wish I could paint these flowers. That's one thing, and that the actual paper wasn't so thin. Now it's dried, I've been able to sort of just wipe off those extra bits of paper that sort of scrumbled up into like a little balls. But other than that, it's really good. And where have they put them? I love these. These are really good, and as I think they're only like £2 possibly. I mean, I could look at the receipt, but I don't like touching receipts. These are absolutely gorgeous. I just love the colours. If you have enjoyed this video, please leave me a like. If you would like me to do it again and do a Q&A with it, which I would really like to do, please leave any comments down below, and remember to subscribe.